get the child to be more resilient and keep going. One of the reasons why children nowadays give up easily is because things has been so easy for them and they get a lot of things instantaneously. So when they fail, they feel like, I can't do it and I don't want to do it anymore. Number one, don't do it for them. Just because they can't do something and they whine, we want to make it faster. It may be a quick fix, but with that quick fix, you discourage them from keep going. Instead, allow them to learn, teach them step by step, and allow them to make mistakes. Take their time. Once they have learned it, they will feel that, oh, it is that easy, and they will keep going. Number two, don't allow them to escape. Just because they don't want something, they cry, they whine, and then you say, okay, no need to do, then they will think that, just by throwing tantrum or I say I don't want to do, then I don't need to do. That way, they will always do that. Instead, you can empathize, you can say, I understand how you feel. Encourage them. Show them that, hey, you have done certain things before and that time you didn't do it really well, but now you can do it. And that's because you keep going. Number three, don't instruct them and tell them what to do. Ask them, how do you think you want to solve this? It will use their critical mind to think and they can be more independent to solve challenges next time. Try this and let me know how it goes for you. Happy coaching!